plates tudo.
No belum malam.
Thank you. Hi, Teddy. I was in the distance below.
Tudo may nasa the main thing kan. Wakan dua. Morning everyone. Morning, sir. Please be seated. But I'm here on my way to Mba. I thought I'd pop in and have a look at what's going on here. But also to tell you that you need to keep your school clean. Okay? Not only your school, your homes and your surroundings at home. They need to be kept clean. I know we have 290 boarders. So your boarding facilities, your area in the boarding accommodation needs to be kept clean. We are going to, district office is going to come up with some figures, so the education department is going to come up with some figures, the school, to bring in some more beds, some good beds, some good cooking items, like pots and pans and maybe a gas cooker, and of course some more desks. But you still need to keep your school and your surrounding clean. Enjoy your day.